Welcome. In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to implement AdMob app opener in Sketchware Pro. So, the very first thing you need to do is to go to my blog. The link to this blog is in the description below. Okay, so when you are at my blog, this is what it looks like. Part of it though. When you're at my blog, you copy this code here. As you can see, add this code in your Android manifest.xml using the manager. So I'll copy this code here. Okay, so I'm going to copy this whole code here. I've actually copied it already. Then I'm going to add it in my Android manifest manager. That's here below this place. Okay, so now I can paste it here. And please take note, you may encounter errors in your project if you don't give this a unique name. It somehow works like a package name though. So I'll still use password and package name, then just add some extra features like e.o. Then I'll save it and I'm done. So back on my blog, there are two things we have to do next. We have to create a new application class and an app open manager. So for that, you can actually copy the code here, but since I don't want to waste time, I'm just going to download it, then import it into my Sketchware project. So here, okay. So now I'm done with that. I'm going to unzip it. Right, so I'll go to my downloads, then there's it. So I'm going to unzip it into a new folder. Here, I'll have to call .axe. Okay, so that's it, and you go back to your Sketchware project. Then import this Java files. Okay, import this Java files. So after you've imported the Java files, you have to add your app's package name here. So I'm just going to copy the app's package name. Okay, then I'll paste it here. Then for my application class, I'll do the same thing. Package, then paste it here. My app's package name. Okay, so we are done with the project. All you just need to do now is just to run. But before we run the project, I'm just going to have to explain a few things. So here, though it's a lot, here you have your the ad unit for the app open ads. This is it here. So if you want to show a real app open ads in your project, you have to use your own real app open ads ad unit ID. So when you do that, you just go to your AdMob accounts, then copy the ad unit ID, then replace it with this one here. Okay, so we are good to go. Let's compile the project. Okay, so before we compile the project, we have to do one thing left. We have to add our application class to the Android manifest.xml. So application class has the name or goes to the name my application, as you can see it here, my application. So I added it here, the same name. Okay, so after that you run your project. So when you're done compiling your project, you are going to install it. Okay, and then I'm going to open it. But this can actually depend. Most times it takes time, especially when you've just created your app. So I'm just going to open it again. Okay. Okay, so we've successfully shown our very first app open ads in Sketchware Pro. So this is it. It's always going to show up whenever someone opens your app. This is it here. Thank you for watching this video. Please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with your family, friends, if you have anyone who uses Sketchware to create apps. And also do well to join my Telegram channel in case you would love to have daily updates on the tutorials and projects I give out. See you in the next tutorial.